It's me, Mario!
Hi everyone, welcome to the very first video on my channel. I'm here to do some fun art experiments with you. I'm not really sure how this is going to turn out or what results to expect, but I want to create a Dreamy Galaxy cake edit inspired by those cosmic cakes I found on Pinterest. I don't want to draw or paint anything. Yes, you heard it right. I will just be using the wand tool for clipping pictures and some custom brushes. And hey, don't call me lazy, okay? Yes, maybe a little, but I'm just trying to work smart, not hard, right? First, I need to surf Pinterest for a good cake pictures. What I'm looking for is a plain square white cake, no frosting, no decorations on top, because we will be deleting everything out. Honestly, it's harder than I thought to find a square cake that fits those requirements. I think people are just more into round cakes than square ones. Anyway, I finally found one that looks perfect for what we need, so let's download it. I'm working in Ibispaint, but you can use any digital art program that supports layers and brushes. I will remove the background since we don't need it, making sure every area I want to keep is properly selected. For more complicated photos where Ibispaint struggles to remove the background, I would use the pen tool in Photoshop and save it as a PNG file. If you want a tutorial on how to do that, just leave a comment below. Now I'm choosing the magic tool and selecting the area I want to add the image to. This is great for giving it that cosmic vibe. Choose an image from your gallery and place it exactly how you want. I think it will look even better if the galaxy looks like cream dripping down the cake, so I will just repeat the process. Okay, that's looking good. Let's do a few retouches here and fix this area. Since we are going for a dreamy cosmic vibe, I definitely want stars and crescent moon in the design. For the next step, I will add a crescent shape to the cake using this brush. Fingers crossed it turns out the way I'm imagining. Let's also add a white highlight here for more depth. Next, I will use these two brushes to add stars and sparkles. Honestly, this part took me about 10 minutes of adding and undoing sparkles. My goal is to create a soft glowing effect with sparkle that give the art whimsical effect. I usually keep testing where to place them until I'm happy with the results. If you're not sure where to add sparkles without overdoing it, my tip is to save different versions of your art and compare. You can also ask for other people's opinions. Sometimes your art needs a fresh pair of eyes for honest feedback. When you stare at your work for too long, it's hard to judge if it's really good or not. But don't worry, with practice you will naturally start knowing where highlights, sparkles and shadows should go. Now about the crescent. I think it looks a little sad in plain white, so let's add a silver glitter effect instead. Yes, that looks way more charming. Now it's time to make things static. Let's go to filters. Oops, I didn't subscribe for premium. Alright, that's fine. I will just use color balance and play with the settings a little until I get those soft pastel tones. Looking at the cake, the sides feel kind of bold. I think it needs frosting, and since I'm too lazy to draw frosting by hand, I will search for a custom brush. After hours on Pinterest, I finally found one. Let's hope it works, because if it doesn't, I will literally cry. Yes, like a baby. Okay, I see the potential. I just need to adjust its color and size. But how do I cut the end part? Sorry, I have to break the challenge and use the eraser tool. Time to add shadows. I won't stress too much about this. I will use the fastest method ever. Just pick a darker hue of the base color, create a circle, erase the extra parts, set it to multiply blending mode, and done. I don't know about you, but I think this plate needs a fork, a golden fork in particular. So I picked one. Though I'm not sure where to place it. Okay. maybe not here. Okay, maybe that's good. Let's make a few adjustments until it feels right. And that's it. We now have an static, Pinterest-inspired dreamy cosmic cake. Honestly, for a first attempt, I'm really happy with the results. What do you think? Tell me in the comments below. Oh, and I decided to make this design into a shirt with some cool text to match the aesthetic vibes. You can check it out on my website or my TeePublic store. Links are in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to support the channel. It really means a lot. Matane, zaijian, ma salama. Bye.